two websites that will save you hours every day. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you about two websites that can save you a lot of hours. So the first website will be Notion.so. So it can organize your life and tasks, like it can do a lot of tasks, and there is a lot of features, like you guys can ton of features that you guys can use, and it will help you and save you a lot of time. So for that, you guys will simply search for Notion.so. So I simply click on there and I will search for that in Google Chrome. So you need to make sure that you search for Notion.com, or you guys can search for that. So here is the interface of that website. Here you guys will see, but click on Get Notion Free, simply click on that. And after that, get it for free. You guys can sign up or log in and their seat, and after that you guys can use it. So the second website will be Zapier.com. So basically Zapier.com automate tasks between different apps. Like here you guys can automate Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp messages, comments. So basically that app was used for the finance agencies and marketing agencies, and like other different things. But that app or that website help you a lot. Thanks for watching.